Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
M is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the Spongebob Fun song on ukulele. The ukulele is tuned G, C, E, A. This is going to be really easy. We're going to need to know 3 chords in order to play it. Those 3 chords are a D chord, which is formed this way. We're holding down the G string at fret 2, the C string at fret 2, and the E string at fret 2, and leaving the A string open. Next, we'll need a G chord played this way. The G string is open. We're holding down the C string at fret 2, the E string at fret 3, and the A string at fret 2. We'll need an A chord. For that chord, we'll hold down the G string at fret 2, the A string at fret 1, and the E and A string are left open. Now for the strumming. We'll strum this way. So that's down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. Here's the order in which we'll strum the chords. D, G, D, A, D, G, D, A, D.
Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
And that's how we're going to play the Spongebob Fun song. And now we're going to play completely through it. Here goes.
It's not about winning. It's about fun.
What's that?
Fun is when you... What is fun? Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U is for uranium bombs. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait, I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Should we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay. F is for frolic through all the flowers. U is for ukulele. N is for nose licking, sharing gum and sun licking here with my best buddy.
Well, all right. That's the Spongebob Fun song. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.